the world in my hands, I'm a god. I'm no longer a black man.
The black god.
I got to have the world in my hands, I'm a god. I'm no longer a black man. Black man.
What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, BPXHD, where you can find exclusive content from your boy, Black Professor X, man, myself. Today, man, I got an unboxing, bro. I don't know what's in that box. I ordered 2 shoes from Nike. So I don't know which one of them came. Also, I'm gonna show the last shoe I got right here, real quick. I supposed to did a review on this shoe for y'all. Y'all kind of already seen it. It released it back in September, but I'm gonna take it out of the box. Right here came from Sneakers and Stuff a long time ago. Probably back in September. So let me take all this stuff off. Here we had it. Yeah, it's a Jordan 1. Y'all done seen this shoe already, but I'm saying I'm gonna make it quick. Oh, look, I told y'all I never took them out the box, bro. I'm not lying to y'all, trust me. Look at that, and I still got the little note in there. Good, thank you for shopping for sneakers and stuff. Appreciate y'all, man. Without y'all, I would have never had this shoe. I won this shoe in the raffle. I never really even looked at this shoe. I don't even know, what is this shoe called? Purple Toes? Help me out in the comments, honestly. I do not know what this shoe is called. Pine Greens. Oh, I got it. Court Purples. They're the Court Purples. Yeah, the Court Purple 1, Air Jordan 1. And you got some boo-boo on that side. Some little tape. But yeah, man, let me put this box down. Let me feel this shoe. Everybody talking about that leather. I know I pulled them out during the video, but it was somebody else's pair. Yeah, so this smells straight. On me, this goes. This right here gravy though. It's nice. I like this. Yeah, shout out to the Lakers, man. Yeah. Lost to Memphis. Video on the way. Trust me. Video on the way. Yeah, so yeah, man. Dope cop, bro. You know what I'm saying? Air Jordan 1 Court Purples. You know what I'm saying? Smooth. Nice leather. I still like my pine greens better. I like that green, a little bit different. This is smooth leather though. It ain't all that on the toe box, but you know, it's cool. I think with a couple wears it'll kind of get better, smooth it out, get thicker. You know what I'm saying? Break it in a little bit. You feed.
Meanwhile.
Bro, what you want? Yo, Black Professor X stay here? Yeah, my brother stay here, bro. Hey, Holmes, tell him I want to trade my Union 1s. Let's go purples. You want to trade? I know he got a pair. Union 1? Court Purple, bro. He doing a video right now. He doing a video right now? Tell him I got some Union 1s. I got from round 2 right here, bro, right now. I see, bro. We ain't never did no trade, especially with no Hispanic. You feel me? But I go add that nigga right now. I want to get those Court Purples, man. They match my LA gear. Man, let me know, Holmes. Tell him he's gonna enjoy it. I got a nice package for him, bro. Please, bro, let him know. Yeah, I got him right now. Say, bro, Huncho outside, bro. He said he's gonna trade outside. One for them Court Purples you reviewing right now. You want to trade? Y'all hear that? Yes, bro. Union 1, you gonna let the thing go? But they want to trade. Hey, he said he ain't gonna wait, bro. Y'all hear that, bro? It's a trade for Union 1. Bro, take these. Appreciate it, bro. I'll be right back. One of my partners, bro, he said he finna trade. He said he know a little Hispanic guy who got some Union 1s he finna trade for. So I'm just gonna wait for him to come back in, you know what I'm saying, with my Union 1s. I be seeing you out there doing your thing, bro, when you be reselling, bro, when I be doing my thing. So, man, when you get a drop or something like that, man, you got an extra pair, man, let me know. You know, this our first time. This the first link up. The first time we doing business, bro. So, hey, here you go, bro. Sweet, bro. Thank you, Holmes. It's gonna go great with my LeBron gear, bro. Shout out to Lakers, man. We're going to the championship, bro. We're doing everything this year, bro. Thank you, bro. Tell him you're gonna enjoy it. Appreciate that, bro. No problem. I'll let you, man. Alright, I got him, bro. Here we go. About time, bro. What took you so long? Live on the channel right now, bro. I'm finna show the channel now, bro. Okay, now we got 2 unboxings, bro. I just traded my Court Purples. Now let's look at these Union 1s, bro. About the unboxing thing for the channel, bro. What's wrong? You didn't look in the box before you traded? What you mean? I checked the shoes. They felt like they was normal Jordan 1s. You didn't see what he traded? You didn't look in the box first? Bro, look. 2 hard tacos and some cheese sauce. You gotta be kidding me, bro. God dang, bro. You didn't. My bad, bro. You don't know better? My bad, bro. You ain't look in the box. Look. My nigga traded me 2 hard tacos and some cheese sauce. Bro, go get my shoes right now. Go get them, bro. I'm gonna go get my shoes right now.
2 hours later.
Bro, I got the shoes back. Hey, you better got them back. But what a box! I couldn't say the box, but I got the shoe back. That nigga too fast. That nigga dropping tacos out of his back pocket like Donkey Kong dropped bananas, bro. I slipped. He got the box though. Bro, you gotta quit fooling with these Hispanic resellers, man. Dang. Bro, that nigga was fast. Hey, bro, I'm just fooling around. Cause no diss. Honestly, no diss to the Hispanics, bro. I hope y'all know what that situation was. That's just a little play. And shout out all my Pedros, all of my amigos that subscribe to my channel. Out of my Hispanic resellers, bro. Real talk. I'll be seeing y'all in the mall on Saturdays, bro. Keep grinding, keep shining, keep doing everything y'all doing, bro. But now, we're gonna get to the second unboxing. I'm just fooling around, just kind of dipping and dabbing. Just messing around. Alrighty. Here go Nike. In their bad tape. Come steal me packaging. Yeah, so let's get into it. And get into this shoe. And I always open it from the bottom. What is this? It's kind of heavy. I know what this is. These are these ugly shoes I bought. I thought I won something. Hey yo, you already know what this box is. Let y'all get the first look. Oh, dang, shot. Ooh, we got hair all in it. Actually, these are not that bad. Ooh. I don't like it. Oh my god, the texture. This feels like a goat. And they said this pony, nigga, this. Look at this cow hair, bro. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm calling Peter, bro. This is inhumane. I can't believe they did this to a poor cow. I'm finna take this cotton out right now. This is weird. I never had a hair on the shoe, and I don't even know how you find that cool. I really don't know how you find this cool. Bro, look at this. The shoe hairy. This shoe is like the Snuffleupagus from Sesame Street, but if he was black on a Jordan 6. The colorway is clean, bro. Look at that. Colorway is nasty, bro. You got that python right there. I'm gonna do a review on these. These wild. These all the way wild. What y'all think? I don't even want to look. I don't even want to touch the black parts, bro. I'm like, ugh. It's creepy. Oh, this is nasty. This almost feel like you took your dog and just shaved it and just put it on the shoe. Jumped the guy in my eye. Woof. Y'all hear that? I'm like Scoop ASMR's channel right now. Look. Oh, that's nasty. I love the colorway, bro. The colorway is clean. Is it getting in my mouth? Man, let me put this shoe up, bro. This be your boy Black. This be your boy Black. I think I got this cow hair in my mouth. This be your boy Black. You know what I'm saying? You down there licking that thing, cuz that thing here, cuz. You know what I'm saying? Let me stop, cuz my nephew watch my video. But it's been your boy Black, man. Make sure you subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Make sure you tell your loved ones that you love them, man. Stay ahead of the hype. Catch me on the next video. Be looking out for the review, man. Be your boy Black. I'm out. Deuces.
Best shit ain't better than my worst shit, yeah. Don't call me underrated, you ain't heard shit, yeah. Work